Hi everyone, in today's video we will see Hisense TV with a red light blinking and would not turn on. So here is how you can simply fix this issue. So the step 1 is to perform a power cycle. So a simple power cycle can reset and resolve many software glitches issue. So to perform a power cycle, you can simply unplug your TV from the power outlet and then you can simply wait for some time. Then after 30 seconds you can simply plug it back on. Okay, this can power cycle your TV and then turn your TV back on. Okay, the step 2 is to check the power supply. Okay, ensure your TV is getting sufficient and stable power. So inspect the power cable and check for a visible damage or a loose connection. Also, you can try a different outlet. Plug the TV into another power outlet to rule out the issue with the current outlet. Okay, the step 3 is to reset the remote. So the issue might be with the remote not sending signals. So you can simply remove the batteries of your Hisense TV remote. Here you will see. Okay, then after you can simply replace the batteries, okay, with a new ones and try to turn it back on. Okay, the step 4 is to inspect the standard light. So the blinking red light can provide clues, like every blinking red light means every like 3 times is a other meaning, 4 times is the other meaning. Okay, so you can simply identify. Okay, so the TV is using the blinking code to specific errors. So you can simply check your TV manual or contact Hisense support to decode the blink. Okay, and the next step is to disconnect the external devices. So a connected external device could be causing the issue, so you can simply disconnect all device like HDMI, USB, soundbar, etc. from the TV. Okay, and then try turning on the TV without any connected paraphrases. Like here you will see right now I am connected with a Roku streaming stick as a HDMI 3. You will see. So you can simply disable everything. Okay, and then reconnect device one at a time to identify any problematic areas. Okay, and the next step is to perform a factory reset. So if the TV powers on but it unresponsive, try restarting to factory settings. Okay, so you can simple go to setting, then after you can simple go to system settings. In system settings you can simple go to about, and now here you will find a reset button, and then you can simple factory reset your TV. Okay, so these are the steps that can help you to fix this issue. Goodbye.